Okay, so let's see. I don't normally use the Apple TV app, so let's uninstall that. There you go. I also do not use Google Games, so let's delete that as well. Hey guys, I'm Joseph back with another video. We all know one of the biggest drawbacks with these Google devices is that they come bundled with a ton of default apps that take up valuable space. And honestly, you're left with almost no options but to keep them, because there's no proper way to uninstall most of these apps. On top of that, Google keeps pushing frequent updates, which slowly eat up even more storage on your device. But in this video, I'll show you a simple method to uninstall all the updates from these pre-installed apps and completely block them so they stop updating in the background. On that note, subscribe and turn on the notifications, and let's get started. So as you can see, I have many of these system applications that come pre-installed in these Google devices. Some of them are necessary for your device to work properly, others are completely useless. So to uninstall them, we need to install one tool, which is easily available in the Google Play Store. You need to only type ADB in the search box, and you'll find a lot of these different apps. But you need to install this one right here, called ADB TV. Click on it and wait for it to install. Alright, now, so this is the most important part of the video. Make sure you do not miss this, as we are going to be connecting our device with this app. So, firstly, press OK. Now you will be directed step by step on how to connect your Android device. The first step is grant access to usage. In order to do this, just press the center button on your remote, which will take you to that specific setting that need to be enabled. In this case, we need to turn the permission on for ADB TV. So, just click on the app and this is going to do it. Now we'll press back, and step 2 is to enable develop settings. Again, click the center button, and from this menu you need to scroll all the way down to Android TV OS build. You need to find anything attached with build at the end. So now just click on this option continuously 7 times. There you go. And now let's head back. Step 3 is to enable ADB debugging. Select it, and then again scroll down to where it says USB debugging. Select it and press allow. We're almost there, just one more setting to go. So this is the part which may take some time to connect. We need to allow debugging for this app. Click connect. A pop-up will open, and here you'll need to check the box. Always allow from this computer, and then select allow. This will give access to the device we have connected, which is a virtual device USB device in any case, to the application to make changes in our system. Now finally, it will test if everything works. So if everything works, it should open the application. But be very patient. It will load all the apps and read all the apps, so you have to have patience, especially if you are doing this on a TV where usually the CPU, the device, is very slow. Okay, so my application is running pretty smoothly. Let's test it out by deleting some of the useless apps we have on our Android box. Let's start with Apple TV. Now, we need to be very careful as to what apps we should delete because some of the apps are essential to running the device. So you can open settings, disable it, meaning the app will be on your device but won't show up in the results. Then we have the delete option. Let's select this one and delete the Apple TV app. So you see how easy it is to delete these system applications, which are pretty much useless and take up valuable storage on the device, which is also one of the reasons for lags and continuous buffering. Okay, now let's find another application. This time let's go with Google Play Games, another useless app for my device. Let's select it and press delete. There you go. So this is how you can delete these apps that you no longer want on your device. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Android tips and hacks to improve your streaming experience. And I'll catch up with you as always on the upcoming video. Thank you for watching.